The tourist arrives at the Hotel Blue Star in Alanya, feeling the warm Turkish breeze as they step out of the bus. Looking up at the modern four-star building, the traveler notices the clean design and the welcoming atmosphere. After a quick check-in at the front desk, where the friendly staff greets everyone with a smile, the tourist heads to their room. The room is clean, bright, and comfortable, featuring a balcony that offers a lovely view of the city. It feels like the perfect place for a relaxing holiday under the Mediterranean sky. The all-inclusive wristband acts as a key to total relaxation, meaning there is no need to worry about extra costs for meals, snacks, or drinks during the whole vacation. The first morning begins with a walk to the main restaurant for a fresh breakfast. The tourist is amazed by the massive open buffet layout, filled with fresh bread, local cheeses, olives, fruits, and hot dishes prepared right in front of the guests by skilled chefs. After enjoying a plate on the outdoor terrace, the traveler decides to check out the pool area. The hotel features beautiful, large outdoor pools that are sparkling clean and surrounded by comfortable sun loungers and umbrellas. One of the pools has exciting water slides, where children and adults laugh together as they splash into the cool water. The tourist finds a great spot to relax, reads a book, and occasionally jumps into the pool to refresh themselves from the midday heat. The pool bar is just a few steps away, making it easy to grab a cold drink whenever they feel thirsty. Later in the day, the tourist decides to explore the big beach, situated not far from the hotel. A short walk through the lively streets takes about 10 minutes, but the hotel also provides a free shuttle bus service that runs regularly. Upon arrival, the tourist sees a massive stretch of golden sand known as Cleopatra Beach, with clear blue water stretching out to the horizon. The beach feels endless, and the sound of the crashing waves is peaceful. The hotel has its own private section on this beach, complete with sunbeds and umbrellas. Even better, there is a dedicated beach bar included in the all-inclusive service. The tourist can sit in the shade and enjoy a cold beer or a soft drink without having to go back to the main building. Swimming in the warm sea makes the traveler feel completely at ease. After a few hours by the sea, the tourist heads back to the hotel to see the other facilities. Walking through the property, they notice the well-designed kids zone. It is a lively place where children play fun games in the mini club, paint, and make friends under the watchful eyes of friendly hotel animators. There is also a safe outdoor playground with swings and slides, as well as a shallow pool just for toddlers to enjoy safely. This area keeps the kids entertained and allows parents to enjoy some quiet relaxation time. Realizing they want to stay active despite all the delicious food, the tourist also visits the hotel gym. The fitness room is well-maintained and air-conditioned, featuring modern treadmills and weights. Working out here gives the tourist a great burst of energy. As the sun begins to set over Alanya, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, the atmosphere at Hotel Blue Star changes into something magical. The tourist gets dressed up for dinner and walks down to the restaurant area. The evening buffet offers a huge selection of international dishes and traditional Turkish specialties. The delicious smell of grilled meat and fresh fish fills the air as chefs cook outside on the large grills. The tourist fills their plate with fresh salads, hot main courses, and sweet Turkish desserts like baklava. The waiters move quickly between the tables, always smiling and making sure that every guest has a full glass of wine, beer, or a special cocktail from the bar.